not be here without you. I am here because of you. Kaya maraming salamat.
Nikki, Christmas message mo for Filipino and the Philippines.
Christmas message?
Yes.
Sana makatanggap tayo ng, ng Christmas allowance.
Christmas bonus.
Christmas bonus!
Nikki, what were you thinking when it was just you and the Sweden in the final two?
When I was holding her hand and I was telling myself, you know, I did my best. I did my best in Q&A, the swimsuit and a long gown, and if it's for me, then I will be proud. If it's not for me, then it's not for me, then I will be happy for Sweden. And I did not want to celebrate that moment because I know how it feels like to be on the top but not get the crown. So when I got crowned, I was extremely happy, filled with pride. But I was also happy that my fellow sisters got that far, and I wish them all luck and wish them all crowns as well.
Was there any point in the competition that you think na talagang makukuha yung back-to-back?
May mga signs ba? Ginagasta niya yung sarili ko. I will not lie. Kailangan mo yung loob pag lumalaban talaga. Kailangan yung believe in yourself 100%. Hindi mo ina-entertain ang negative energy. Hindi mo ina-entertain ang insecurity. And laban kung laban. But of course, I'm also human. I'm also just a girl. I also have moments where I thought about it. In fact, even as staying in the top two, I had that expectation that, okay, hindi ako, okay lang yan. But then again, nag-back-to-back tayo, kaya Pilipinas!
Any updates sa homecoming?
Oh, updates sa
Sino yung dalawang candidates?
meron. I believe it's the second week of December. Kaya puntahan nyo, mag-enjoy tayo. Of course, it's face of beauty, but let's have fun at the homecoming. Let's dance.
Yeah.
Please come.
Nikki, how was your relationship with the rest of the girls in the competition?
Well, I have to